Okay, I have another lock from Jitsuka. It is a Master M187, I believe. Has a 4-pin M1 keyway. I have a key for it, but it's all taped up. So let's open it up, see what's in it. I'm just going to put it in this vise and hold it for me. See if we can do this. Okay, let's use the bottom of the keyway. Let's try this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. Let's use light tension on this to start with. There's pin 4. Okay, let's go to the back again. We got a little bit on pin 3, I believe. 2. Or maybe it was pin 1. Okay, there's pin 2. Feedback on pin 1. Okay, and it's open. So feels like it might have some spools in it. This lock is supposed to be able to disassemble. I don't know whether it will come out. These 4 pins supposed to come out, and it's supposed to open up. Let's see if it will do this. Okay, we can only get 1 pin to move, so I'm not going to disassemble this lock. It's just a 4-pin master lock, but we will. Let's look at the key anyway. I might disassemble this on a later, on another video later on, but not this time. Okay, this is what the bitting on the key looks like. Let's make sure that the key does work. Okay, it works good, no problem there. The lock works. And this one, we know it will probably open just about as easy as that other lock. If I can get my tension wrench to work. Okay, there it is open too, so it opens just as easy as the other one. It's broke here, but that doesn't keep this plug from working. Okay, that's what we have in these 2 locks from Jitsuka. I appreciate it. Thank you for the locks. Please, everyone, stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.